First chase of 2020. It's May 6th. And it's always a good omen when you got a sky like this in Arizona on your way out to Texas. Right, how you doing? Beautiful storm of South Aquana. We had a rotation here, but this is starting to kind of get pulled into this main part, and you can see the updraft really intense in here. Explosive supercell. Getting close to sunset here. I need to move, but gorgeous storm. I need to get east real bad. Gotta get the soup! Gotta get the soup! Amazing shelf south of Sayre, Oklahoma. Coming right at me. Trying to get to another target, another storm, but man, it's hard to like pass that up. That looks real pretty. Wow, this is awesome. Look at that downburst and the dust. This is a time-lapse dream for this guy right here. Just in great colors. Look at the field. It's a full team! Brett, Brandon, Blake. Full team. Haboob, it's happening! Haboob! Horseshoe vortex in the cloud. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. What does it mean? It's a tornado at the top. I don't know what it means. It's alive, it's a snake, I don't know. Look at that camera, Mark. What the hell are you shooting? Is there a tornado in that thing? Sorry, Mike, I can't hear you. Sad to see the outflow boundary from hell. It's Tucson being hit with a decent amount of dust that I've never seen here before. It is dry out, wow. Well, that's stunning right there. Beautiful structure northwest of Jetmore in the sun. Coming out. There. I have never seen an anthill made out of twigs before. That's crazy. That is scary. It's not often that you just pass a frickin' skull in the middle of the road. Holy, what the? Hey, buddy. Hey, guys. Got antlers. Oh, no. Unbelievable storm by Elmwood, dropping unbelievable CGs out in front. Insane downburst. Look at the outflow wind. Oh my gosh. Wow. Just dumping on I-8. Side of the storm. Oh, you just saw that. And it's dumping right there. Whoa. I probably need to get out of here. That just absolutely dumped. I do not want to get stuck here. Rainbow wash in old Highway 85. Big flash flood coming. Whoa. Look at the blue up in there in the storm east of Elgin. Wow, look at that rain shaft. Here's the dust. Starting here is going to get better and better as it moves past this area. Camera over here, Mike. Here comes the dust right here. Hang in here for the end of this time lapse. Wow. Here it comes. There we go. Woo! Made the day worth it. Look at that. Well, this is just incredible. Look at that. There it is. Well, we wanted a supercell. Looks like we got it. Some lightning landing close. Really good structure for Arizona. Getting really good here going through Casa Grande on this side. Look at that wall of dust getting picked up. I'm so excited right now. Linda's here, Lenny's here. It's been 2 years since we've had a dust storm like this happen. It's unbelievable. Well, further down Interstate 8, this thing is still going. Pretty amazing. Just crossed the mountains over there. Oh, it's getting good right there, look! Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Look at that. Oh no! Mike, as well with his first real legit haboob. This is awesome. Oh my gosh, by Sonoyta. Unbelievable storm. Absolutely incredible. Really? Woo! It's time, we did it! What do we like? Go! Plano! We did it! I've not been this excited in 2 years. I can't believe this. Oh my God, everybody. One of the best structures of the entire season. More great structure right here. Oh, God dang it, I can't stop. The freaking bolts are landing right there. Oh my God, look at this structure. This is unbelievable. Look at that. Holy crap. What is happening? This is Arizona. Probably the best supercell I've ever seen. There's bolts striking in front of it. Oh.
This is a weird storm and I don't know what it's gonna do.
Oh,